Good day, everyone. Okay, so right now I am going to explain laws of reflection. This topic is actually from our lesson that I have given you yesterday, mirror. So this is just a glimpse. I'm just gonna make it quick so that you can answer our next activity for today. Okay, sa Indra Kanisha, it's very simple, it's very easy, so that's why I'm gonna make it quick. Okay, so let's start. So laws of reflection here, we have two. The first law says that the incident ray, the normal ray, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. So in the same plane. The plane here meant about the line here below. So this line here is that actually what we call the plane. But since our lesson is mirror, then this plane is meant to be the mirror. So let's consider this line here as our mirror. Now, it says there that the incident ray, this one, the normal ray, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. So that means that the incident ray, this is our incident ray. A ray is actually an arrow, or an arrow. It has one arrowhead, and the arrowhead actually points towards the mirror. So padulong siya sa mirror because incident ray actually meant that it is a ray of light that travels towards and strikes a surface. So towards, which means padulong pa lang siya sa mirror. So mao na siya, nabantayan ninyo ang arrowhead sa incident ray kay padulong siya sa iyahang mirror. Next is our normal to surface, or what we call the normal ray. It's actually the broken line here, kini. And it's called normal, it's because it is just directly facing the mirror. It's not diagonal, wala siya nakaslant, because the normal ray is actually parallel. Parallel lang yun siya sa mismong mirror. Next is the reflected ray. And our reflected ray, this is our arrowhead, or the arrow of our reflected ray. This is the ray. And the arrow is actually facing off. It's facing away from the mirror. Since this is our mirror, kining nasa ubos, our arrowhead is facing outwards. Pagawas siya, it's because reflected ray is a light ray that bounces off a surface after the incident ray strikes it. So which means that ang atuang arrowhead ray pagawas siya, it's because nag-agad siya sa incident ray. Because the incident ray is the one that strikes towards, padulong pa sa mirror, inigabot sa light ray sa mirror, mo bounce back na siya, mo untol na siya, inig-bounce back ana niya. That is now what we call the reflected ray. Okay? So, mao na siyang giingon nga incident ray, normal ray, and the reflected ray, they all lie on the same plane, which is the mirror. So, yes. Okay, so let's continue. Let me just erase first these mga hugaw-hugaw sa buhay. Okay, now let's move to the next law of reflection, which is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So, angle, I believe you already know that. It's in your mathematics subject. Angle is kining makita ninyo from, let's say, from the plane, ikan dire, from the plane, and then goes to the normal, or pwede pong from the plane goes to the other side of the plane. Muna siya gitawag og angle. Okay? So in this case, na natin nakita diha nga angle, duha na siya kabuok. So the first angle is this one, kini siya. This is the first angle. And this angle is called the angle of incidence because naa siya dapit kung asa ang incident ray. So this is what you call the first angle of incidence. The second angle is kini. And this angle is what you call the angle of reflection because naa siya diri dapit sa reflected ray. So, what does it mean sa second law? It says there that the angle of incidence is equal. Equal means parihas. Angle of incidence is parihas daw sa angle of reflection. So as you notice, ang first angle na to, which is angle of incidence, ato nang gihimuan og symbol. Ang symbol nga atong gigamit is kining theta. Kanang theta, everyone, mo ni siya nga symbol atong gigamit. Ha? And then the second symbol is also the same, theta lang gihapon. Ang first is we call it theta 1. The theta 1 is the first angle, which is the incident ray. And the theta 2 is actually the angle of reflection. Kaya naman siya dapit sa reflected ray. So, muna ang ato ang angle. Atong gamiton is theta nga symbol. Kana mura siya 0 tapos na ibadli sa tunga. Okay? So, mura itong gamiton to actually mean for the angle. Moingon galitag angle, na dyan na siya degrees. So, kung pila ang iyahang gibukahon. Is it gamay ra ba ang opening? Or dako ba siya? Okay? So, that is what you mean by that. That is why we are going to use the theta symbol. So, ang gingon diha, equal. So, parihas. So, for example, kung pila manggali ang value sa angle of incidence, dapat equal dyan na siya sa angle of reflection. Okay, so sa pagkangan pa lang nga, sa pagkangan pa lang nga equal, then both of them have the same value. Okay? Now, since na naman tayo angle of incidence, angle of reflection, we can also name the other parts of the angle, kining wala na label, kining nga part, dere nga area, dere, o di ari nga side. Let's call it the angle A, kini siya diri nga side, angle A, and the other side is angle B. So, kula na lang siyang gipanganlan kunuhay og mga hingon ana. Okay. Next is, let's have an example. Let's have an example. Okay, so now let's move on to our example. Usara ni siya ka example ha. So, you can just pause. If maglibog mo, pwede rin ninyo ibalik-balik because I'm gonna save it as a video later on. Okay? So, let's have an example. So, this is now our plane mirror. And let's have our normal ray. Okay? And this is now our incident ray. By the way, before that, I have put here a box. Kining marag yellow siya. Kanang angle diri nga. Kana siyang angle. It's called a right angle and it is considered 90 degrees. Okay, remember that. Right angle is always equal to 90 degree. Because right angle means, niya, is 90 degree gikan sa plane. And it opens 90 degrees. Okay, so if you are going to use a protractor or any measuring device to measure angles, it will always give you 90 degrees because it's perpendicular man. Okay, so it's 90 degrees. Now, ay nakalimti. We'll use that later on. So, next, let's have the incident ray. Atong incident ray, it's an arrow towards the plane mirror. And then, since na naman tayo incident ray, then it reflects back, bounce back na siya, and it's called the reflected ray. So, but, napoy times nga balihon siya, it's okay. Pwede na dyan na siya balihon, no? So, let's say, dere baron sa pikas ang incident ray, nga naapod sa pikas ang reflected ray. That's okay. Parehas na sila, magbali-bali. Basta lang always remember, there will be no reflected ray unless incident ray happens. So, kung nanay incident ray, then that means there is also a reflected ray. Dili mahitabo nga reflected ray largo. Nya, walay incident ray. Okay? So, ato nang ibalik sa normal. So, muna itong incident ray, muna itong reflected ray. Nasa left ang incident, nasa right ang reflected. Just focus on the arrowhead kung asa siya padulong, ha? Okay. Next is, this is our A. This is our B. And then our angle, kining angle, let's call it the angle of incidence, which is, example, we have the theta 1 or angle of incidence is equal to 35 degrees. Now, if the theta 1 or the angle of incidence is 35 degrees, how about the theta 2 or the angle of reflection? Pila man kaha? So, if you remember, from our second law of reflection, it says there that the theta 1 is actually equal to theta 2. Or, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So, ay kalimot ana. Now, since equal man sila, nagitagaan ta given din ha nga theta 1 is actually equal to 35 degrees, then our theta 2 will also be equal to 35 degrees. It's because equal man. So, lahat sa kaayong may mo ng 36 nga equal man. Okay. Anyway, so, next, let's talk about the value of our A. Pila man kaha ang angle, degree of angle of our angle A. Kanang A na to din ha. Kanang black nga arrow. So, if you remember, a while ago, I told you that the right angle, let's talk also about B later on. The right angle is actually 90 degrees. No? So, ibutang na to din he para dili malimtan sa mga person. Okay. So, kay 90 degrees man ang right angle, so gikan sa normal ray paingon sa plane mirror, that's 90 degrees. Unya, ang pangutana, pila man ang ato ang A. Kining A nato is kanang black. Naadapit sa left side. So, mao ni ato ang A. Kini. Diri nga area, mao ni ato ang A. So, mao na ato ang A. Pila man kaha ato ang A. So, how will we be able to solve for that one? So, since right angle is equal to 90 degrees, then, ang imong buhaton is to actually subtract the 35 degrees gikan sa ato ang theta 1. Given man na siya ganina, ang 35 degrees, theta 1. Ato na siyang isubtract from the right angle, which is 90 degrees. Okay, so, now, upon subtracting 90 degrees minus 35 degrees, then it will give you the answer of 55 degrees. Oh, parang kung nagduda mo din, hala, i-calculate. I-calculate na siya. So, atong A is equal to 55 degrees. Kanang A ha, walay labot ang 35 din he. Walay labot ang 35 diri. Kay kini siya, dirira na siya. Nawag, color coding galin na nako ha, green. Dirira na siya. Pero ang 35, arira na siya sa black. Pero kung imo nang i-add ang duha, then it will give you the entire 90 degree angle, which is what we call the right angle. O kung imo nang i-total ng duhang 35 og ang 55. So, total radyo na siya og 90 degrees. Okay? So, now, nanatay value sa A. Nanasad tay value sa theta 1 and theta 2. Now, how about the value of B? The value of our B, if you remember, I said a while ago that theta 1 is actually equal to theta 2. Or, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So, kay equal man ang duha ka theta, then that means A is also equal to B. Taawar gud na ang kadakuon sa buka sa ato ang angle A o kadakuon sa buka sa ato ang angle B. Maumaura gyud na siya. No? Equal gyud na sila. So now, since we already have the value of A, oh my gosh, ning uwan. Prating alimuota, bantog ra ni uwan. Hi. Okay, anyway, so since our value of A is equal to 55 degrees, unya niingon din nga A is equal to B, then the value of our B is equal to 55 degrees. Okay? Gets ba mga person? Okay, so maunin yung ansiran, palihog ko. You answer that later on. In a 1/2 crosswise paper, draw a diagram where all angles are reflected. Then, solve for the angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and angle A. So, nana din ha ang given. So, please do start answering. Thank you! I hope you understood. If ever nga na may confusion, you can just pause the video and then go back. Balik ka na pod para mas makasabot mo. This is very easy and I believe kaya na ninyong ansiran nga wala ta sa eskwelahan. Wala ta nag-discuss jud literally sa eskwelahan. At least I'm trying to create a video para ma-explain ako further. Okay? Thank you everyone and fighting. Keep safe.